Alright, good day guys and gals. Having an Audi TT make one here. Has a couple of dents, and we're going to try out a hot glue dent removal kit. My both assistants here, Julia and Carlo, are going to help me, maybe. So one of those, I'm going to try to demonstrate how well it works or not. In the side skirt on the passenger side, right underneath the front edge of the door, there's a little dent here. Let's see how well we can pull this out. Same here. There's this little dent here. It's even smaller than the previous one. That little dent here. We're gonna also use the small pull-out tool right here, and let's see if we can completely remove this thing here. Again, I glued the smallest tool to the dented area here, and now I have to mount this bracket vertically to have an even surface, so it can pull evenly perpendicular away from the door surface. All right. See what we got. Remove the glue here. You can use a plastic spatula or something, but this peels off nicely. So not perfect, but we're gonna give it another shot. But it's gotten much better already compared to before.